bamboo slips, embroidery, and various traditional specialties. These are what you can see at main media center of the Universiade. The center goes into service from July 25th and will operate around the clock. Located near the Dong'an Lake Sports Park, where the games opening ceremony will take place, the MMC includes the main press center and international broadcasting center.
我这里是媒体工作间，它位于主新闻中心的1层。我们这里有媒体的工位，一共有340个，然后还会有42台壁挂的电视和2台由15平方 LED 组成的电视大屏，供记者在赛事的时候观看到直播过来的信号。
整个媒体包呢，它的设计是非常具有中国元素的。首先您看到的前面利用了整个太阳鸟的一个设计风格，在书包的肩带上呢，您看到这边又会有一个具有中国特色的设计。媒体包它叫做锦囊，物品就会十分丰富，分为纪念品和办公用品。更值得一提的是呢，媒体包中会为每位注册记者提供一本媒体指南，它会指引所有的注册记者在各个场馆内为他们的报道提供便利。
The restaurant at the media center serves a wide range of dishes that can please the palates of people from all over the world, featuring the unique Sichuan cuisine known for its spicy and flavorful dishes.